Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. I wanted to do an update here on Healthier Choices Management, HCMC. As you follow my channel, I've covered this one a couple times. I have a couple thousand shares of this one. I can't remember exactly how many. If you don't know much about this one, it's based in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Vapor Corp is a leading supplier of electronic cigarettes with a diverse product portfolio. So they're into quite a few different things. You can feel free to pause the article or the video and read the rest there for yourself. Basically, the biggest catalyst on this one is the lawsuit they have with Philip Morris, and I went into that on some of my other videos. But you can kind of see it's been kind of all over the place here in the last week. I bought some more. I can't remember my cost basis, but you can see the run-up that it's had here in the last month, and then it's just been kind of going down ever since. But go ahead and check out some of my other videos, and you can get more up-to-date on that one. This is a little bit more about HCMC as a holding company focused on providing consumers with healthier daily choices and respect to nutrition and other lifestyle alternatives. Through its wholly owned subsidiary, HCMC Intellectual Property and Holdings, LLC, the company manages and intends to expand on its intellectual property portfolio. The company currently operates 9 retail vape stores in the southeast region of the United States, through which it offers e-liquids, vaporizers, and related products. The company also operates Ada's Natural Market. And like I said, I'll link my other videos in the description so you can get a little bit more idea what this one is, and feel free to pause the video and read the rest there for yourself. But they had Healthier Choices Management Corp reports fourth quarter 2020 financial results and full year fiscal 2020 results. And as you can see, this is just dated on Friday. So they announced financial results for the fourth quarter and fiscal year ended on 12/31/2020. Net sales from continued operations for the year ended December 31st, 2020, estimated at $13.9 million, compared to $15.1 million during the same period last year. Gross profit from continued operations decreased by $0.7 million for the year, resulting in a year-end amount of $5.8 million compared to $6.5 million for the same period last year. Operating expenses as a percentage of sales decreased 16% in the fourth quarter versus prior year. For the year ended 12/31/20, operating expenses as a percentage of sales decreased 6%, reflecting continued reduction of corporate administrative expenses. Adjusted EBITDA for the 12 months ended 2020 improved approximately $0.5 million compared to the prior year. And so you can kind of see what they've done for earnings. Looks like they have some work to do, and otherwise it looks like it was up a little bit on Friday. But feel free to pause the video and read the rest there for yourself. And just wanted to make a quick update on this one. And this is back to Reddit. Nothing really in here in the last couple days, and back to StockTwits here. That's kind of interesting. You better have GTEH. That's a given. I think I've covered that one a time or two on the channel. It's probably about due for an update on that one. But everybody that I can see here on the HCMC is bullish for the most part. I'm so mad over buying the stock. I swear, just walked by my wife's salad spinner. There was nothing in it. and spun it out of spite. I'm so mad. Bear, cat, bull. You can still get into this one for pretty cheap. I don't have a whole lot of shares. I haven't bought any out. I've only bought them on the dip here, and I believe I'm still in the green. I have it in a Fidelity account. If you're looking to buy this one, it's over the counter. Can't buy this one on Robinhood. It's you'd have to go through Fidelity or TD Ameritrade. TD might charge you a commission, but I go through Fidelity. Too much hype and can't handle it. Mr. Bezos, please help. Smooth. All kinds of, whoa. Never know what you'll see on here, so kind of some interesting comments from time to time. You really think Philip Morris will lose with the kind of lawyers that they have on their team? This person's bearish. So, like I said, for the most part, I can see everybody's bullish. I think people are not patient with this one, as lawsuits can take a while. I've done a couple updates on that here on my channel with information that I've heard, but I don't have a whole lot tied up into this one. I mean, you can get quite a few shares, since it is 0.0015, so but it was up 20% on Friday, so we will see what happens with it this week. I think everything will be back in the green this week. I think it was just a minor correction, which is fine, because everything was going up, and there was no stopping it, so it was time for a correction, and provided the opportunity for a couple buys on my part, so I bought into this one, AITX, OZ, SC. A lot of the penny stocks were down, so got to increase my shares on those, so that works. But that is it for HCMC. I just wanted to do a quick update. If you have any shares of this one, go ahead and put that in the comments along with your cost basis. And if you haven't gave that like button a smash, go ahead and give that a Hulk smash for me, as well as subscribing if you haven't subscribed yet, and that would really help out the channel and get my videos out to more people and help increase the channel here. I'm trying to get up to 1,000 subscribers by the end of March, so, and I thank you for all the support on the channel. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.